You get a funnel?
I have a funnel.
You got me, Doug. You got me, babe. Is there a song like that?
Sonny and Cher?
Yep.
Sonny had the long hair, and
We both had long hair.
so did Cher. We're getting any in the tank? I'm trying.
Yeah, you can go a little faster.
A little faster?
A little faster. Oof.
That's bad, isn't
Can
it?
we get a fan?
Get a fan for sure.
Smells like moonshine.
Yeah, I was gonna say. How you holding up, Royal? I can't pour any faster.
I'm starting to see colors.
Okay, there's 5 gallons. You a towel, Royal?
Yeah, probably.
Mark said 10 gallons per mile,
Yeah,
or 10 gallons per, what did he say?
10 miles per
He
gallon.
wants 10 gallons in this for some reason. How far is he gonna drive?
I don't know. We should have checked the brakes.
Nobody told us to check the brakes.
Okay, tank's in, lines are connected, you feel good about it. 10 gallons fuel, 5 gallons fuel, 20 gallons fuel,
10 gallons fuel.
10 gallons of fuel.
How far are you going?
I'm not going, well, if it runs, we're all going out for a little ride.
Oh, nice.
Go for a little ride, swing down to Finn's maybe, have a little din-din. You ever had their chicken fried steak?
No,
Pretty good, it's pretty good, pretty good. What's that
I
face
can't eat
about?
the gravy.
It's water-based, it's not dairy-based. It's a
Oh,
water-based
it's got
gravy.
powdered milk in it.
Why, will you poop your pants?
I don't know, but I don't want
Is
to
that
find
funny to you when a grown-up poops his pants, Doug?
I don't think it's funny that a grown man poops his pants. I think it's funny that Mark seems to think that Royal does this all the time.
Yeah, it's been closed since '78. Anywhere else you want to go that closed 50 years ago?
Sounded like a good, well, we could go to Florence.
If you'd open the door,
Yes.
driving to Florence, for him to eat something to poop his pants on the way back, you want to spend all day
Well, he doesn't.
in a car
no,
while he's
I-
marinating in his own excrement?
He doesn't have to do that.
If you'll
I
open
can
the
eat
door,
soft
you'll
serve.
back
It's not
the
real
car
ice
up,
cream.
yeah.
Sorry, people. Hell no, I didn't poop my pants. I don't know what he's talking about. It's crazy.
I would like you to please take it outside, turn it around, and bring it back in nose first, though, if
Okay,
you don't mind.
I don't mind at all.
So that's one of my concerns with Doug nowadays is he just seems to be losing more of a grip on like when things are and where they are. He wants to go to drive-ins that haven't been up for 30 years. It's the strangest thing. I don't know what to do. And the last thing I want to do is drive all the way over to Florence, spend 2 hours in the car with those two morons, go to A&W, have him get a great big fat double cheeseburger, which he's lactose intolerant. So immediately he's going to start getting the mud butt inside the car, and I got to spend all the way back from Florence with Dougie and mud butt.
No, I think I would know if I pooped my pants. I think I'd be the first to know. Anybody within 10 feet would be the second to know.
So my guess is it's going to start up and run just fine, and we'll be able to go out and take it for a little drive. Does that sound okay to you?
Sounds just wonderful.
Okie dokie.
Wonderful.
Let's do that. Get
Let's
me a
do it.
battery, please.
Yes, sir.
Hi, Doug.
Hi, Royal.
No, I'm not, but I wish I was.
Take a look at that bad boy in there, a little 440 cubic inch super commando. I call it a commando. What you doing, Dougo?
I'm gonna put a battery in this car.
If you want to cave in that fender while you're at it, that's okay too.
I've never caved in a fender on a car with a battery. I've rear-ended a few cars, rolled a couple, drove a motorcycle off a cliff, left a car on fire on the freeway, but I've never dented a fender with a battery.
See, let's start and see if it just cranks over. Let's start cranking this mother biscuit over. Boy, that sounds good. I think we're going to be cruising down the highway. What do you think? It does crank over? Royal, what are you looking at? Fuel?
Yeah.
Why don't we prime it? It's free.
Cranked over quick, so it should be able to spin enough to get some spark. Put some fuel in there with it, and it should fire right up. When I say fire, I don't mean Mark's version of fire. I mean fire as in start up.
Why are you getting
I
crazy?
just didn't want him to slosh it all over.
I didn't want to slosh it all over.
I know, that's why I opened the jump.
I'm very careful with this stuff.
I saw that on the last one.
All right. Try it.
Fire it.
I got big faith in this thing. 15 years and it'll start on the first crank.
It started.
Not bad. Not bad. That's great. Try her again.
That's amazing.
That is amazing. You can't keep a good Mopar down. Feed it. I'm gonna bottle feed you. Go ahead.
We don't know if the fuel pump's even any good.
Might not be.
The fuel line was rotted off of it.
The fuel line was just pudding,
Really?
melted from that.
Oh, maybe the fuel pump's no good. Try
That's
it.
what I'm wondering. Now I'm scared.
Anything in the filter, Royal?
Nothing.
And that's almost a pint of fuel right there just running that engine. So guys wonder why these weren't very popular after the gas embargo? That's a great reason why. All right, Doug, I'm gonna have you put a fuel pump in it, and then we're going to see if this thing will start. And if it starts, we're going out and we're going cruising. You moron. Dougie just ruined the GoPro. Well, I hold you personally responsible for that.
What'd I tell you? It's all our fault.
Sorry.